junior kids, happy morning. Once again I came with your EVS class. This is EVS class and today we are going to learn about etiquette. Etiquette. What is etiquette? I had already taught you know what is etiquette. Etiquette means it is a behavior of ours that we have to follow when we are in community or in public places or we go anywhere else. Okay, so good manners we have to follow almost everywhere, while eating, while talking, while playing, while going to restroom, or etiquette we have to follow when we go to restaurant. There are some things that we must follow in the restaurant when we go there. Okay, so in the previous concept class I had taught you the behavior in the restaurant. Today we are going to talk about self-control. It is an etiquette. One must have self-control. So this is not only for kids, even for elders also. This topic is very suitable for everyone, each and everyone. So etiquette, self-control. One must have self-control. I am going to narrate you a small story. Once there was a little boy whose name was Ricky. So Ricky was very good at home. One day their parent decided to go for a shopping in a mall. So they went for a shopping. So while doing shopping they went to a shop and they crossed a toy shop. What happened? Then Ricky saw a toy that he became very attracted towards that toy and he wanted that toy. But Ricky's parent, they doesn't have enough money to buy some extra thing because they had planned what they have to buy, but they don't have money to buy the toy. So they said, okay, tomorrow will come and tomorrow we'll get the toy for you. But that Ricky, naughty boy, he didn't convinced. He said, no, I want this toy now and now only. Then the parent tried to convince him, but he didn't convince. He started to cry. He fell down on the ground. He started to throw off his legs and hands, started to cry, he started to scream. He was yelling in front of everyone. Now those who were passing by there in the mall, everywhere turned back and everyone was looking at the naughty boy Ricky. Okay, children, now tell me, do you do the act like this when you want anything and you won't get the thing? Will you become angry? And when you get angry, what will be your act of anger in that situation? How would you behave to your parent when you ask for something and you're not getting that object? How would you behave? Will you behave like that small boy Ricky? Or will you, okay mama, no problem, you will become good to your parents? So what I want to ask from you all is, what Ricky had did, is that right or wrong? Is losing anger, becoming very angry or becoming furious, is good or bad? That is really bad. We should not do that activity. Okay, so we should have self-control. For example, if someone is teasing you regarding your dress or your hairstyle or your bag, how will you behave? Will you lose your control? Will you become angry? Will you stomp your feet? Or you won't say anything, you will just move on from that place? Next, I would like to ask one more thing. When you watch television, you are watching your favorite cartoon program in the television and your papa comes and snatches the remote and he changes the channel to news one. You want to listen to the news, so he changes channel. How would be your behavior now? Will you become angry? Okay. If someone, your best friend, had got some yummy snacks with him, okay, and he is sharing his snacks with someone else, not invited you at all, how would you feel? You will lose your control? Will you lose your control or will you be nice with him? Okay, next, your neighbor comes to your house to play for a day and he takes your favorite toy, and when he gives back the toy becomes, it spoils the toy. How will you react to it? Will you become angry, then you will fight with him, or will you be nice, or will you control your anger? Okay, so these are some situations we handling every day, isn't it, children? So, Mama, what if you always keep on playing nowadays in this time in your house? What does Mama do? Mama doesn't allows you to go outside and play. Mama snatches your TV time. She makes to sit in a corner, in a chair, in a punishment chair. Then how would you behave? Will you behave like Ricky, or will you be nice? So, if you want to become nice, you must have self-control. Now, that activity is called, action is called, or that act is called self-control. We should not become, we should not become furious, or we should not lose our control. We should have self-control. We should control ourselves. We should not become very angry. If Mama is saying that, okay kiddo, tomorrow I will get you this toy, and you should say, okay Mama, then I'll wait for tomorrow. Like this you have to say. Okay children, so this is called self-control. What is this? Self-control. Okay, so everyone must have self-control. Now onwards you have to become a good boy, good girl. Whatever your mama says, you have to follow. Whatever your mama gives, you have to take. You should not ask for this, and you should not ask for that. Okay children, so everyone must have self-control. Okay, now it's time to do the worksheet. So take out your concept worksheet now and turn this page. So we are going to do this worksheet today. So what is given? Take the images that show self-control. Self-control. Okay, here a boy is teasing others. Is this good? No. Here, speaking nicely with others. Is this good? Yes, this is self-control. So put a tick mark here. Next, what is doing here? Helping others. Helping others. Suppose if you are walking anywhere and you had bumped someone and something is fallen from their hand, then you have to help them out. Okay, so that is self-control. Next, being nice with everybody. Being nice with everybody is self-control. Next, doing hurtful things to others. Doing hurtful things to others. Is this self-control? No, not at all. Okay. Next, disagreeing loudly with others. Okay. If you want, you want. If you don't want, then you don't want. Okay. This is disagreeing loudly with others. Is this self-control? Not at all. So, what are the self-control? What are the pictures that show self-control? Let's see. Speaking nicely with others. Put a tick mark in the box. Helping others. Put a tick mark in the box. Being nice with everybody. Put a tick mark in the box. Okay, so these three pictures shows self-control. Okay, so put a tick mark in this boxes. So parent, please write today's date and name of your kid on the worksheet before doing this. Okay, so do this worksheet children. Take a picture of it and send it in a group. Until I meet you in the next new day, it's your auntie saying bye and be good to your parent.